Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well today. So this is our risk management simulation series part 2 maybe, because the previous day I took trade in live, but today our internet connection is very buffering, that's why I can't do live. So I'm recording this video and I'll publish it in our YouTube channel. So this trick I took in live. So we were in 0.37% in gain. So right now we are in London session. Before London session, it means we are in pre-London, before 1 hour before London open. So we are in daily candle right now. Daily is looking bearish. So if we mark this candle, there's support resistance. So this is the daily resistance, and also this is the daily support level. So if you look at 4 hour, what the 4 hour is showing us, let it clone. So 4 hour also, where was for daily support resistance, also it is our 4 hour support resistance. So let's move towards 1 hour. So in 1 hour, okay, 1 hour there is a support, and this is our next support. This is our daily and 4 hour support, and daily 4 hour resistance is this. So this is our 1 hour support. So if we clone it to 30 minutes, okay, okay. So there is what, this is our 1 hour support. What we are looking at 30 minutes. So this is our 30 minutes support, but there is another support here. So I am marking both of this support here. So this is our another support. So if car market close below both support, then we can go for a sell by depending on volume. So we are looking here that the market already closed below both and support, and mm, create a bullish candle. So let it move towards 15 minutes. So in 15 minutes, what is happening here? So this is a very good sell entry. Maybe if current candle break previous candle low in 30 minutes. So in this simulation, we are only looking trades in 30 minutes by depending on 1 hour, 4 hour, what daily, and we can consider 15 minutes, but 15 minutes it's lower confirmation. So there is in this area, previous 15 candle closed bearish, but it's that is not a strong bearish candle. So let the candle run. So at this point, it's just getting rejection from this area in 30 minutes. So there is high chance if current candle break previous can, wow, current candle just broke previous candle high. So if it's break previous candle low, there is high chance that market will push down. Let the candle close. First forwarding the movement. Okay, it just does the support resistance level. So 15 minutes just closed, but bullish with huge rejection. So if we look at 30 minutes still open. So there is high chance if this, okay, this 30-minute candle broke its own low. If we look at 15 minutes, it's breaking previous 15-minute candle low. If current candle broke all of these lows, both lows, the market should move down. So what? Okay, it just broke both lows. Okay, it's just breaking the low, both candle low. So where will be our SL? Right now our SL will be above the zone. And how we manage the risk? If current candle break its own high, we will close 50%. On open, we will close 50%, and the rest will be our in our SL. Uh, so I am just entering on this trade. This is an, what is this, A plus setups? Okay, this is a very good uh, setup, and it's an A plus setup. It will be A plus setup. So I am risking here 1%. A plus setups mean it's high probability setup. So my SL will be somewhere there. How many pips my SL is? Just 20 pips. So okay, okay, just moving, getting rejections. Already 16 minutes late. Just a second. Gone off this 15-minute candle. Let the candle close. It's just getting rejection. At this point, how we can manage this? If current candle come back towards our entry zone, we can close half of our position. So it closed below this support and never come back to our entry zone. So right now I am moving my SL to my previous 15-minute candle low. Because of there is no gap, that market come back. So trades modify. I'm modifying my SL to there. So my SL is just 9 pips. If I lose just $9. Wow, what a move. Very nice. So our SL was 20 pips and we are right now in 31 pips. So at this point, I should close 80% of this or 90% because of I always close 80%, 90% at 1:1. If market wants to move more and more, no problem, it can go. But I close 80%, 90% at 1:1. This is my rules. So 15 minutes is getting rejection from this point. Left side there is any rejection. No, there is no rejection. Maybe market can get rejection from 26.80. 26.80. So market is moving down. Wow, how the candle moving. Just look. Already 59 pips, 56 pips. So at this point, I'm moving my SL to break even, and we are right now 1, 2, 3. So I'm closing another 50% of this rest of the position. So let the candle move. So I'm just move to the next bar. So if current candle break previous candle low, I'll move my SL to current candle high. Okay, it's just getting rejection and breaking, continuously breaking its own high. That's when market can be push up. At this situation, I should, okay, this candle just closed and I should move my SL to previous candle high. So we are in 20. Wow, our SL just got hit. Here's London Open. Just 8 minutes ago, London Open, and the candle should move bearish, but it didn't. So at this situation, we should. Sorry. So if we look at 30 minutes, what is happening here? We have a resistance here. So this is our resistance level, and market created support here. What is this? Okay. So in 15-minute market just created a support here, and 30-minute, this is our 30-minute support also. So delete this extra candles. Okay, there is our 1 hour support. There is our 30-minute support level. So this is our most recent support was this. Okay. Okay. So we can go for in type of buy here because of our market is bearish. Overall trend is bearish. But we are getting rejection. If current candle get rejection from this support zone, maybe we can go up. But let the candle close above our resistance zone, then I can go for a buy. Otherwise, there is no buy for me if it's London open or something else. So London just open and closed a strong bullish candle in 30 minutes, also in 15 minutes. So let the market move. We just got almost $100 in free London. So there is no nothing to trade in London session because of free London just moved. If it's in a real life, I don't want it to trade in this day because of I got almost 1%. So why should I trade this day? This uh, the left of the day is my enjoying time. I just got 1% of my capital in just 1 hour. So always mark a profit target where you want to exit because market will give you hundreds of opportunities. It can give 10 opportunities in a day, 100 opportunities. You don't need to grab everything. Just take a portion of that. So previous candle just closed bullish, but 30 minutes is still closed below this support zone. Okay, let it mark. This is our 30 minute support, resistance zone, and above this is our 15 minutes resistance zone. So I'm just waiting here. Okay, 30 minutes is moving up, no problem. Let the market move up. Market's going bullish, very nice. But I didn't get in trade, that's why I didn't took a trade. So this is our 15-minute resistance here, and market also broke previous 15-minute candle resistance, and current candle is still created low and moving up. So at this scenario, what should I do? Because of they had created a support and broke this, and market structure just changed in 15, but 30 minutes is also 30 minutes market is moving. At this point, we should come back at this area and create a support, then we can go up. Oh, but 4 hour just previous 4 hour closed bullish. In this 4 hour candle, it can be create a upper wick. So for creating an upper wick, it should move up, then create a resistance, then it should push down. So this is a very confused situation. So market is pulling up. We can take a trade here because of its 1 point. Wow, almost. Because only by 15 minutes we can take a trade. By 30 minutes we are watching that market pushed up and it should move down, create a support, then it should push up. So I'm just waiting here in 30 minutes. We need clean structure. Wow, just look at this. In this situation, this market pushed down and create a low and moving up, but within 1.5 minute. But I all 2 minutes. Right now it's 2 minutes. If it come back, it's in 2 point. Open price. Maybe I'll take this, and my SL will be somewhere just 11 pips, and my TP will be somewhere there 24 pips. Let mark. Okay, just come back. If you look at 50, wow. In 15 minutes, it just closed below. This candle just got rejected. It's a strong bearish candle. So what should I do? I should wait 1 hour getting rejection, 30 minutes. So in this 30-minute candle should touch this level, this support here. If we took trade here, how much we got? Just 70, and then it will come back. And before it's hitting my SL, I manage my risk. Wow, it just got 1 to 1. Very nice, but it should touch this level because of in 15 minute previous candle close strong bullish, bearish below this resistance. So where it is confusing situation, I am just having it, and I look for in if we look at 30 minutes, it not to it should create a lower wick, then move up and touch this level. But in 15 minutes is buy trade, sell trades. So if you are confused, just move to the higher time frame. Shit, this is the last 2 minutes of this current 1 hour candle, and it's breaking its own open. before it just touched this level. So I'm not taking trade because of it's the last minutes. So anything can be happen. Okay. So what is our trading time? 1 hour before any session, pre-Asia session is open 1 hour before, and after 2 hours of this session opening, we just look at the chart, and then we just rest our mind and come back to the next in the next session if we can fill up our daily target or something else, and we do if we want to trade. So 2 hours just left and I am just moving to the next session. Oh wow, how the market just moved. No problem, what is happened, whatever it is, let the market move, we can get huge opportunities. So I'm just deleting everything and move towards pre-New York. So if we look at pre-New York, daily candle just create a weak broke previous candle, daily candle high and moving up. So there is high chance. Wow, in 4 hour, 4 hour candle create just close below its support zone, resistance zone, and new 4 hour candle just open and it should create a weak and then move up. If we look at 1 hour, so this is the 1 hour resistance level. Mm, this candle just broke this resistance level, and this is our 1 hour support level. If we look at 30 minutes, let move this 1 hour candle to the 30 minute. So 30 minute there is we should move this support to there and mark this 30-minute resistance. It's easier for the new traders. I'm marking every resistance. So there is another resistance. So I'm marking this. If we look at 4 hour, 4 hour just broke this resistance. So there is high chance that market will push up by. We know that in higher time frame. So in 1 hour, market just closed above the resistance. So if next 1 hour candle create a weak and then break its on open, then market maybe fill this week 48 pips and then fill all of this rest 130 pips. But in 30 minutes this candle got rejection from this area, and if we look at 15 minute, what the 15, wow, just look at the 15-minute candle. This created a resistance here, a strong bearish candle. So in 15 minute, if current 15-minute candle create a upper wick and break previous green candle low, then market can be pushed down. So let the market run. We are before pre-New Year, so 2 minutes just left. Market get pushing up from by creating a resistance. This creating a weak. So this can be a weak field, but I'm not confident for taking trades because of previous 30-minute candle close to its huge rejection. And okay, it just broke previous 30-minute candle low. If 15 minutes, it just broke this 30-minute candle low, 15-minute candle low also. So for 4-hour candle, if it's want to move up, it should create a wick. In 1 hour, it also need to create a wick. So their screen range about 100 pips. So we can grab easily 30, 40, 50 pips. It's an counter trend entry. So market already moved. So what should we do? I am minimizing my risks 0.5. Hmm. And let okay, I'm entering this. So my SL will be above both of the rejections level. So if market flip and break its own open, then there is high chance that market will move up. So I just entered market getting wow, just look how it just getting rejection. Okay, no problem. It's a static risk. Let the market move. Market just stuck here for moving almost 25 to 10 minutes. So at this situation in live trade, I always close half of my position. So I'm just closing half of my position here because of it just tried 3 times to break its own low, but it can't. So I just closed it. Okay, right now it's just moving. This candle closed bearish, but no bottom wick. So what can we do right now? Previous candle closed bearish, no bottoming. We just closed 50% of our position. So right now I am just waiting to hit my SL or move bearish. If you look at there, 1 hour still open. Right now this is the dynamic risk. Let the market move. Okay, it just got hit my SL. So at this scenario, market just created a lower resistance, and if current candle close above the resistance, there is high chance that market will push down, push up. 1 hour candle create a lower wick and breaking its own open. That means there is high chance that market will push up, but I can take a trade here. We need confirmation. Current candle should close bullish. Okay. Candle bullish, closed bullish. 30 minutes is moving up. Just 10 minutes left of this 30-minute candle. Wow. Okay. New York will be open within. So New York just open. So this is the resistance and this is the support level right now. We are having. So buy one, or if current candle create a lower, we can break all of these highs, then market will push up. And it don't need to create a lower wick because of its New York open, and if it's break all of the high, market will push down up, or break the low, market may be pushed down. There is high chance that market will push up because of forward closed bullish. and above the resistance zone. It's also 4 hour high. So let the market move. 15-minute closed in the range. So market is just confusing, creating confusion right now. Okay, okay. 1 hour candle broke previous candle high and breaking previous candle low, and now market is going bearish, and it broke all of these lows. So what the market can do? I really don't know the last 5 minutes of this 30-minute candle. So I'm just waiting for if this 15-minute candle to close. Otherwise, there is no sell entry for me, no impulse sell. Okay, this candle just closed previous 30-minute and 15-minute candle closed bids, and market start pushing down. So maybe market go more and more down. Wow, what a move! Buy 1 hour is broke previous candle low and it's moving down. Very nice, but I just missed it. Wow, what a opportunity this was. But it didn't create any upper. We can directly broke previous candle low. So a huge bearish candle just moving down in 30 minutes. In 50 minutes, this candle closed below this resistance support zone, and this candle create a weak and breaking previous candle lows. So by depending on volume, we can sell here, but there is also a support zone here. So what should we do right now? Right now, we should just wait here. This is our next support level, and so let the 30-minute candle close. Okay, 15-minute candle close above the resistance support zone, and 30-minute closed below the support, and there is next support. So we can consider there is high volume. If current candle create a weak, then break this low, then market may be pushed down. There is high chance. But depending on 15-minute candle, we can't take it. Wow. Right now, this is a very good impulse sell will be if this candle break all of these lows here. Wow. Just look. I just moved towards previous candle. Okay, it just breaking all of these lows. Okay, so our sale will be execute here with half of our risk, and our SL will be somewhere there. So if I enter on this, I definitely will enter on this trade because of I previously mentioned that 30-minute candle break previous 30-minute candle. There's high chance that market will push down. So we just got 1 to 1, more than 1 to 1, 58 pips, 43 pips. So I'm closing half of the first break even, closing 80%. But in this situation, I always close 90% because candle is moving too fast. Okay, market is moving down. Very nice, very nice. This is an impulse depending on volume. Okay, we just got our break even. No problem. Okay, the trading is day is finished. Next candle, next candle. Okay, there is created a buying scenario here, but the already 30 minutes it just broke this support. So at this scenario, we can only look for sell, no buys here. Because of forward just flip and broke previous candle low. Next day. Previous day maybe broke or daily high or daily low. Yes. So previous day create just object. How to remove this order lines? Show period separator. Asline. OHL. What is this? Okay, I don't need this OHL. But there is no option to remove this. So we are right now 1.90% up. So daily is so previous daily closed bearish, but it's not a strong bearish candle. But if current daily candle create a weak can break previous daily candle high and break its own low, there is high chance that market can be weak fill this range. So in 4 hour market is just consolidating. This is our 4 hour resistance and this is our 4 hour support area. And if we look at 1 hour, okay, clone. If we look at 1 hour, this is also 1 hour consolidation area, support resistance. If we look at 30 minutes, this is also 30-minute consolidation area. So in 30 minutes, this is our another support level. So just wait to break above or below this support resistance. So I am fast forwarding these candles. So let any candle to okay. London just opened and we are also in this range. So 30-minute candle closed but below this range. So we need a 30-minute candle to close above the zone. So our session ended and we are towards New York. So this is pre-New York. So in pre-New York, previous candle just closed above the resistance zone, but closed above 27 pips up, and this is our another resistance in 30 minutes. So in 1 hour, it's also clean range. So no 1 hour candle close above the resistance. So at this situation, 30 minutes is little bit confusing. In 15 minutes, there is huge support resistance also. So at this scenario, we should look at 1 hour. But previous 1 hour candle don't have any upper wick. So this can be a risky decision here to take a trade here. This candle must touch this level. In 30 minutes, it just created low and broke previous candle high. In 15 minutes, there is a resistance level. I am not taking a buy here. It must retest this level. Trading is just waiting game. Wait for your setup, for your rules, what you want before entering in a trade. I just want to trade a candle to retest this raised support area and then move up. Then I'll enter. Otherwise, there is no entry for me. Or if it can't back to retest this zone and continue pushing up, but in 30 minutes, if connect candle close above the resistance, then we can consider trade. So 30 minutes closed. Just moving up. No problem. I just need confirmation. Without confirmation, I can go for a trade. 30 minutes should close above this resistance area. Okay, last 2 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes just close above the resistance. 1 hour can come back and retrace this area. So at this scenario, we can go for a buy because of its New York open. If current candle create a weekend break previous candle high, there is 47 pips range. Our SL will be just 29 pips. So maybe this is the range. So if you look at, okay, there is 15 rejection, 47, 48 pips. Our SL will be just 424 pips. Okay, very nice. So if this candle break previous candle high, I will definitely enter because of its New York session, New York open. Okay, it's just breaking previous candle high, and I am entering with 0.05. It's a trend continuation trade, but 1 hour can. Okay, may I should enter, but the range is not very big. This is a small range. We can get just 24, 25 pips 1 to 1. So I'm just entering here with if it breaks its own open, I'll close half of the position. Okay. We're in 12 pips. Okay, it's come back towards its entry price and I'll close 80 half of my position if it's come back to its entry price. Because of from our range it just moved 18 pips and coming back towards our entry price. So at this scenario I am closing half of the position. I'm just managing my, and right now if it's come back and break its own open price, I'll close another half of the position. So it's breaking its own open price and I'm closing another half of the position. This is how I manage risk. My SL is still here. So I risk here $50 and how much I just lost. Hmm, close trade history. Okay, this was the buy and I just lost. Oh shit. Just $12. 12, 6, $18. $18. I just risked 50 and I just lose $18. This is a big winning for me. Where I just risk 80 and I just risk half of my loss. So should I take a second chance here if it breaks its own previous candle high again? Maybe I should take a second chance. So it's just breaking previous candle high again. So I'll take second chance again. Hmm. So I'm giving it second chance and my SL will be same area. And it's moving up. Very nice. Okay, we are right now in 16 pips of profit. If it come back to its entry price again, I'll close half of my position. Okay, we are right now in 19 pips of 16, 20. Okay, previous candle just closed without any upper top upper wick. That means that there is high chance that next candle can be 50-50 chance. It can move up or coming back. So I'm just moving myself to break even and closing my 90% of position. So I just closed my 90% of position. Wow. So it just broke previous candle low and previous candle high and in moving up. So I'm just moved my SL to current candle low. Wow, I just got a call. So market is moving up. Okay, if it's break its own low, I'll close this trade. Okay, just close all. And this is a problem of this free simulator. It can't open this trade chart or the trade window. Shit, it's not opening. So I'm just closing this video right now. I will post another video if I get some times. We are right now in 2.18% profit. So thank you. I hope everyone is will be well. Assalamu alaikum.